always need to relinquish every bit of your fortune to own something fast. Meet the all-new Skoda Octavia VRS. Sleek, elegant and sporty. We are at the BIC trying to find out what makes the Octavia VRS a legend at the Indian driving circuit.
Cue the revs. Let's get going. If the chassis is the soul, the engine is definitely the heart. Under the hood sits a 2-liter TSI Evo turbo petrol engine producing 261 bhp and 370 Newton meters of torque. 0 to 100 kilometers per hour is done in just 6.4 seconds and it will top out at 250 kilometers per hour. Mated to a 7-speed DSG gearbox, this setup is perfectly tuned. It's quick to respond, always ready to drop a gear or two, and even when you want to take control. The paddle shifters are right there for you. On the move, the exhaust note has the addictive growl and makes every downshift feel special. True that the car's front-wheel drive nature means it's not purely track-focused, a bit of understeer creeps in at the limit, but for everyday performance, it's absolutely phenomenal. For its price, nothing else gives you this balance of practicality and performance. The sense of practicality creeps into the design of the car as well.
Starting with the design, which is very quintessential Skoda. A butterfly grille up front, which is very familiar. You get these gloss black finishes around, and yes, of course, the VRS logo, which makes all the difference. You also get this gloss black treatment on the lower bumper lip as well. What's new are these new LED signatures, which gives the car a fresh appeal. Now coming to the sides, the overall profile is very sleek and understated. Not much frills here, but you get these 21-inch aerodynamic wheels, which gives it a very good presence.
Now the rear is a familiar one because it still continues to have the notchback style boot lid. There is a black lip spoiler which adds to the sporty edge of the car. The tail lamp gets broken LED elements which again look very nice. And there is a gloss black treatment on the bumper lip as well. But the ones that catch your attention are these dual exhaust vents. They look absolutely smashing, and as we said earlier, they growl too. Step inside and it's all business. The all black cabin gets red contrast stitching, sporty highlights and truly supportive seats. Exactly the kind of setup that tells you that this car was designed for driving enthusiasts. You get two large digital displays, a 12.9-inch touchscreen for infotainment and 10.25-inch virtual cockpit with a unique RS layout. The 3-spoke steering wheel with paddle shifters feels right out of a rally car. Now the biggest addition here is level 2 ADAS. That means adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist and auto emergency braking, all designed to make the experience safer and smoother. And yes, features galore: 3-zone climate control, Canton 11-speaker sound system, heads-up display, gesture control tailgate, adaptive LED headlights and even aluminum pedals to remind you how special this cabin is.
The new Octavia VRS is priced at 49,99,000, which makes it quite reasonable for a CBU. But unfortunately, all 100 units of the first batch have been spoken for. So anyone who wants to buy the Octavia VRS will have to wait till Skoda announces its next batch.
But one thing's for sure, this car proves that everyday performance can still have heart, character and a whole lot of fun. While there's no direct rival, there are cars like the Golf GTI and maybe even the BYD Seal who compete for attention. But nothing absolutely nothing comes close to how enjoyable the Octi RS is.